Hi, so I'm going to show you how to add things to your Clever account. So just type in clever.com. It'll ask you what's your school. You type in your school. There might be some choices. And then teachers are going to log in as teachers with Clever. And if you don't know your account, let Jermaine know. Okay, so username is first.last. And you're going to put your password in. All right, so I'm gonna move this over here so you can see, okay, on the side here, well, first of all, you'll see all of our school resources, learning resources, classroom games, the staff resources, pick my kid, IT support, office referral, master schedule, time off requests, all that kind of stuff. Class Dojo's here, Discover Education. It's probably going to be a whole separate video that I can do. That's like a whole big thing. But to add your own page for your students, you're going to click on Pages and go to My Teacher Pages. So you can see that I have some already. To add a new page, you'll click Add. So you can do a page for each subject you teach or each group of kids you teach. And yeah, so I'll go back to mine so I can show you. So I've been working a lot with the 4th and 5th graders. So I'm working on this page. So you can name it, you can personalize a picture. I found a GIF that was kind of fun. All right, so I have added lots of different games here. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to add a new category. So there's a big add button, and then you'll add a category, and it'll be right here, untitled. So whatever you're teaching, so I'm going to be teaching about fossils soon, so I'll add that category. I already have, if they miss questions from this Why Your Place is Always Hot quiz, Earth spheres, weather, water cycle, science tools. This is from last year. And then quizzes, I got that. So then once you have your category, you can add games. So you're going to need to find a game. And so you'll like Google search for something. So let's say I want to find a fossil game, online free. I'm going to type in 5th grade because I don't want dinosaur train. Why is that coming up? So just you'll find games. This is something also like if you have students that are already done and have mastered all of the things that you've done so far, you can have them do it. So anyway, I don't know. I'm gonna actually go through this game later, but you will copy it, Control C to copy, and then go back. You can add it as a link. So you type it here, fossil game. Then you can pick which category. So if you have a lot of categories, you can choose it. If you only have one, whatever. And then you can upload a picture. So I want to go to I don't think I have a fossil picture. Fossil. Let me just search. Can always add it later. Oh, I got it somewhere. Where is it? This is perfect. Where is it? Will it tell me? Oh, it's in animals. Okay. If you want access to this folder, let me know and I will share it with you. Oh, there it is. Okay. Once it's uploaded, I'll have a green check and then you can add the link. And then it'll be a game. So I found a lot of good games on a website called WordWall. So like this is the spheres of the earth. It's kind of fun because the students know that they can play different ones. So they like to play like the game show or the hangman version. It's the same thing where they match it. And when they're done, they can check work, which I love because they love to get the ding, 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 all the check marks. If you want to search just on here, then you go and you're going to erase all of this and you're going to search for community. And oh, and you have to log in. You can sign in with Google, which is great. Okay, so if I want fossil games, I can just like look in here and then see if there's anything that would fossil fuels, organic matter. Yeah, so I can just look through here. Another thing, I don't know if you noticed when I clicked add, you can do a PDF. So if you save something as a PDF, or if there's an app, so that's kind of cool. You can also share your whole page with other people. So I have shared it with Frankie. You can type in anybody's name and it will share it with them. So that's kind of cool. Like if one of the ELA teachers in middle school makes it, they can just share it and then all of the students could have it. So, and then, students can work on this at home or at school when they're finished with any of their work. The students, this is what it looks like for them. So they can see each game if they go down. And they can see like this is a link. Oh, that's an app because it just has the app thing, but link. Trying to think if there's anything else. I do have quizzes. I was able to create some quizzes. AI actually helped me with one of them. And I created so you can like create a new one. So I can make it from scratch. Actually, I don't like this way. Let's see. Okay, so let's say I want to do it on fossils. You can search through what other people have already done. And if you like it, you can click add question. You can then even jump to a different quiz and add questions from other quizzes. So you can make like a whole quiz. And then let's say I probably have to have more than one. Okay. Oh. Let's see. Okay, so here is my quiz here. To publish it, you would publish it, you name it. You can put a subject. Whoops. Bless you. You pick a grade. And then you can assign it to your students to do later. So if you don't have time to do it in class, you can assign it as independent practice. You have to create a class. So you'll have a class created. This is the tricky thing. You have to name it and save it and say okay, and then you have to assign it. So there's a couple times where I thought I was done and I didn't click assign. But once you have it, the students will be able to go in as long as they have the code for your class and they can see. So if you go to your classes, So here I have 4 quizzes, and once the kids start doing it, I'll be able to see how they're doing, and I'll get to see all of that information. I showed the students, they get this. I just copied this and sent it to them, and then they will be able to join the class. That's it. If you have questions about Clever or quizzes or anything like that, please reach out to me, Colleen.Gallagher at imagineeastmesa.org.